OK，第八课 HSK 3的第八课，题目是你去哪儿，我就去哪儿。Looks strange, right? that's to 哪儿 where you go where, I'll just go where. 什么意思呢？它的意思就是 you go where? I'll go wherever you go. All right. So you go to the place, I'll go to that place too. So that's what it means. Right? Um, now we will come across a few examples. So don't worry about it if you don't get it. Now let's take a look at number 1. Okay, where is text number 1? If I can find text number 1, then I can talk about it. All right, now I found it. So it's in the lounge. 小丽 and 同事 are having a conversation. 同事说：“听说你最近打算买房子。”最近 most recent, which means lately. 打算买房子 plan to buy a house. 小丽说：“是。”昨天去看了看，看了看，看一看 right? Well, 看了看 is not really 看一看，看了看 is happening in the past, but it's again a casual form of take a look, right? 今天又去看了看，明天还要再去看看。小丽 is a bit weird. 小丽 is a weirdo, yeah. She speaks she nags a lot. So yesterday I went to take a look. Today I went to take a look. Tomorrow I'm gonna still again to take a look. 同事说都不满意吗？都不满意吗？不满意 not satisfied. 你满意吗？ Are you satisfied? Though all of them are not altogether are not satisfied. Again, though can be used as altogether to emphasize the tone of the sentence. And 小丽说，一个没有电梯，不方便。One of them 没有电梯，电梯 is elevator, right? Oh, electronic or electrical ladder, elevator. 不方便，一个有电梯，但是在20层。20层，层 is the floor, so 20th floor. 20层怎么了？ We learned 怎么了 on its own means what's wrong. So what's wrong with 20层 20th floor? 太高了，往下看多害怕，多害怕。How afraid, how afraid, how to be scared, how scary, right? And what is scary? Looking down, 往下看，往 direction verb. This is a structure. 往前走 walk forward. 往后转 to turn left, turn around. Okay, so 往下看 to look downward. And then 小明说，第二个，听说你下个星期就要回国了。Again, I heard next week you will go back to your own country, right? Go back to your own country, go back to return home, return to your home country. And 马可说，是啊，真不想离开北京。Really don't want to leave 北京。Okay? 小明说，我下星期不在北京，不能去机场送你了。送 to see somebody off. It's very important verb, a very important um, etiquette that Chinese people, very important thing that Chinese people do to see somebody off. Because I think because a long time ago, if somebody leaving house to go to a very far away place, it is possible that he will never return. So seeing somebody off is very important. Or and to 接 somebody, to pick up somebody, to celebrate somebody's returning is also very important. Somebody's returns is also very important as well. Now, you usually have a big meal and drink some booze and have fun, right? Talk about the trip and all. 马可说没关系，你忙吧。Right? This is very interesting phrase. You busy, or you are busy with something. You get busy. I suggest you busy. I suggest you just do whatever you need to do. Right? And then 小明说这个小熊猫送给你，送 to give to send 给 for you this 小熊猫，熊 is bear, 猫 is cat, bear cat is panda. A small panda is for you. Of course, it's not a real panda. It should be a toy. 欢 because China is in control of all the pandas. There are, I don't know, about 100 pandas altogether in the world, and China is using that to befriend with other countries, which is pretty cool. A lot of so if you're good with Chinese people, China, then they might lend you pandas. They don't give you pandas, I think. They lend you pandas. Anyway, why are we talking about pandas? Let's continue to talk about 欢迎你以后再到中国来. Welcome you 以后 later afterwards 再到 again arrive China. Okay, 来到中国 to arrive China. 来 is the direction. Alright, so the tendency come to China. Right. So now you understand this 来 or 去. They are very flexible. They can be used after verb or after whole action, right? Or sometimes a phrase to indicate the direction of this action. And Marker says 谢谢，希望以后能再见面。Hope 以后 right after this 能 we can 再见面。再见面 is to see face, so it's more intense vocabulary, intense word for to meet, right? 再 again see each other. And then that's number 2. Number 3, 小丽说小刚我们坐哪儿？小刚 says 你坐哪儿我就坐哪儿。小刚 is really a creepy dude, right? And you sit where I sit where. Now, this 哪儿 has nothing to do with the question words anymore. It comes wherever. Same thing as 什么 or 什么时候 or when, what, how. All these question words can be used in here to be linked by a Jew, right? To mean whatever or however or whenever what happens, then something else will happen. Like usually it means I will sit, right? Here you usually will be translated into the into something like the later part of the sentence should go first and then the first part, which by which I mean I will just sit wherever you sit. I'll sit where the place that you sit, right? Now, if you continue to look at this sentence, 小丽 says 坐这儿吧 suggestion 这儿安静 quiet 你想喝什么饮料什么饮料 what kind of beverage and 小刚说你喝什么我就喝什么 I'll drink whatever you drink. See the pattern, right? Get rid of the first question word and then add ever to the second question word, and then switch it. So I'll drink whatever you drink. That's the meaning of the sentence. Here again, I'll sit wherever you sit. 我就坐哪儿，你坐哪儿。And 小丽说喝可乐吧，可乐啊，你等我一会儿 ，a moment, wait for me a moment，我马上回来。I'll 马上 horse on 啊，that doesn't has nothing to do with that. Horse on means get on the horse. So means you're very fast. So it means immediately you can arrive somewhere because in the past horse is very fast. Maybe that's the reason. So 马上 means immediately. I will return immediately. 小丽，你去哪儿？你去哪儿，我就去哪儿。This is weird, right? And then 小丽说：“我去洗手间。”洗手间 is toilet or 厕所。洗手 wash hands room for washing hands. Right, so Xiaogang is trying to go to the toilet. That is Xiaogang is such a creepy dude, right? And obviously whoever wrote this book thinks Xiaogang is funny, but he is not. He's just creepy. That's it. Right. And then in 周明家，在周明家，对吧？老同学 old classmate，快5年了。Soon 5 years. It's almost 5 years now. 你几乎没变化，没有变化。Sorry, 没 means didn't. 变化 is a verb here, change. Okay? 几乎 means almost. You almost didn't change at all. 周太太说：“谁说的？我胖了。I'm fat. 以前的衣服 what kind of 衣服？以前的 the clothes before 都 all together 不能穿了。No, so all of them are not able to wear, to put on. 老同学说，健康最重要，胖瘦没关系。健康 health 最 most 重要 important 对吧？胖瘦 whether it's fat or thin 没有关系 doesn't matter no connection。周太太说：“是啊，yeah，想吃什么就吃什么。I'll eat whatever I want to eat. I would like to eat 老同学说：“你做饭还是周明做饭？还是 means or right? So you or 周明 make food。”周太太说：“我做，我想吃什么就做什么，想吃多少就做多少。” Sounds like she's like very proud of being able to cook, so she can cook whatever she likes to eat and how much ever she likes to eat. Right? So 做什么 I'll make whatever I want to eat, and I will make how much ever I would like to eat. All right? So that is the structure. You see two question words, and between them there is a 就. So that is the indicator of the structure, which means somebody will do whatever, or however, or whenever in the first action. Okay, so that is that. I hope I explained that easily. If not, I'll see you in class. I'll explain in person. Make sure you understand everything. I'll see you next class. Bye bye.